Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe Matiktok PH. So thank you so much. Okay, so our quarter 3 week 6 objectives. So at the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Define and illustrate the relationship of exterior and interior angles of convex polygon. 2. Find the sum of interior and exterior angles of convex polygon. And 3. Calculate the unknown interior and exterior angles of polygon. So ito yung kailangan nyo matutunan or ma-master this week. Okay, so pag sinabi nating polygon, ito ay closed plane figures made up of line segments connected at their endpoints. Yun yung vertex na tinatawag natin. Okay, ibig sabihin sa polygons, kailangan siyang merong flat surface. And with that, polygons can be classified whether it is convex and concave. Ano ang pagkakaiba nila? Okay, pag sinabi natin convex polygon, kapag nag-draw ako ng diagonals, so lahat ng diagonals na mapo-form ko ay nasa loob. So try natin, no? So we have draw a line here, and this one. We also have this diagonal, and this one. So as you can see that, pag sinabing convex, all diagonals are inside. Samantala naman sa concave polygon, so kapag nag-draw naman tayo ng diagonals, so observe natin so kapag tinignan natin dyan, merong nasa labas. So ibig sabihin, one or more diagonals are outside. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng concave polygon. So with that, so we have different kinds of polygons. We have the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, hendecagon, and dodecagon. So with that, kung titignan natin, no, so among these polygons, or they are called regular, except yung quadrilateral natin, di ba? Pag sinabi natin regular polygons, they have the same angles and sides. So itong quadrilateral natin, this is irregular quadrilateral. So ibig sabihin niyan, para malaman natin, ano-ano ba yung mga uri ng quadrilateral? Okay, so ito yung mga different types. We have the kite, okay, trapezoid, parallelogram. Under ng parallelogram, we have the rhombus, rectangle. And under of that, we have the square. Kaya yung square lang yung masasabi natin regular because they have same measure of angles and sides. So ibig sabihin, all of them are quadrilateral because they have this four sides and four angles. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the relationship of interior and exterior angles of convex polygon. So meron tayong tinatawag na interior, yun yung angles na nasa loob. Exterior, yun yung nasa labas. Yun yung color blue, exterior yon. Yung pink, yun yung interior. Okay, so pag sinabi natin interior angle, ito yung tinatawag din siyang vertex angle. Yun yung point. Okay, so, and angle formed by two consecutive sides of polygon. Ibig sabihin, ito ay na-form sa two consecutive sides. Yan, so yung side na yan. And kapag sinabi naman natin exterior angle, ito yung angle formed by side and an extension of an adjacent side of the regular polygon. Ito yung extension nitong side na to. So if that case happen, meron tayong exterior angle form. Ayan yung exterior, di ba? In-extend lang yung kanyang side. And kapag sinabi natin in the supplementary, yun yung relationship ng interior at exterior angle. So meaning, the interior angle is always supplementary to an exterior angle at vertex. So yun yung relationship ng interior and exterior. Take note of that. So example natin, convex quadrilateral ADQU. So identify natin ano ba yung interior angle. So dapat alam natin na nasa loob. So we have the 4 angle ADQU. How about the exterior angle? So kailangan nasa labas. Ano-ano ba yung mga angle natin? Yun yung mga extension ng side. So we have angle ADZ. Ito yun, or you can name this as angle ZDA. Okay, basta kailangan yung vertex nasa gitna. And we also have the angle XUQ, or you can name as angle QUX. Same lang yon. So, and sa pagkuha ng sum of interior angles, meron tayong formula. Paano ba tayo kunin? We have S is equal to N times, N minus 2. This is the quantity N minus 2 times 180, where N is the number of sides of the polygon. For the sum of exterior angles, so always remember that the sum is always 360 in any convex polygon. Okay, so with that, we have different types of polygon. So we are going to identify the number of sides. So in a triangle, there are three. So quadrilateral is 4, pentagon 5, hexagon is 6, 7 for heptagon, 8 for octagon, 9 for nonagon, 10 for decagon. For n, halimbawa marami na yung number ng sides na, you can name as n-gon. Or you can search the name in a Greek word. So, yun yung katumbas ng number ng sides, yun yung Greek words nila. Yun yung pangalan. How about the number of diagonals per vertex? So, we have the formula n minus 3. Okay, n is the number of sides. So, kung ito yung n natin, 3, 3 minus 3, that is how many? That is 0. Okay. How about the 4? 4 minus 3 is 1. So meaning to say, we have in pentagon, we have 2, hexagon 3, heptagon 4, octagon 5, nonagon 6, and decagon is 7. So we use the formula n minus 3. For the number of triangles, so use the formula n minus 2. So n is the number of sides pa rin. So subtract lang natin na we have 3 minus 2, that is 1. Ibig sabihin, merong isang triangle sa triangle. And how about 4 minus 2? There are 2 triangles in quadrilateral. Okay, how about pentagon? We have 3 kasi 5 minus 2 is 3. And we have hexagon 4, heptagon 5, octagon 6, nonagon 7, and decagon is 8. Okay, how about the sum of interior angles? So we have the formula quantity n minus 2 times 180. So since the n minus 2 here, ito yung number of triangles na natin. So we have to multiply na lang. 1 times 80, meaning to say, the sum of interior angles of triangle is always 180 degrees. Yun yung tatlong angle niya, di ba, sa triangle. Okay, for quadrilateral, we have 2 times 180. There are 360 degrees. For pentagon, we have 540. Hexagon, there are 720. Heptagon, that is 900. Sa octagon ay 1080. Sa nonagon, we have 1260 degrees. And for decagon, that is 1,440. So, kailangan tandaan natin yung formula natin. Yung n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so paano ko ba makikita yung illustration ko paano kinukuha? Okay, kailangan ma-visualize natin. No? If this is quadrilateral, specifically this is parallelogram. Okay. So dito, kapag nag-draw ako ng diagonals, ayan. Ibig sabihin, ilan ang makikita kong triangle? Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, number of diagonals per vertex, isa. Ayan. Kaya nakita natin dito, di ba? Merong isang diagonal dun sa quadrilateral natin. Ilan ang triangle? So, meron 2, di ba? Nakita natin. Ibig sabihin, asan yung dalawa? Ito. Okay, 1 and 2 triangles. So, kaya nga 360 yung kanyang sum of the interior angles. And for this is pentagon kasi 5 sides siya. So, ibig sabihin kapag nag-draw ako ng diagonals per vertex, there are 2. Kaya tignan natin, di ba? There are 2. And then, ilang triangles mapo-form natin? There are 3. Asan yung tatlo? Ito yan. Kaya, we have 2 for diagonals per vertex, 3 for the triangles number. And this is the triangle 1, 2, 3. Kaya nga, ang sum ng interior angles of pentagon that is equal to 540. So, ganun lang yung pagkuha. And let's have example number 1. Find the angle X. So, paano natin may apply yung ating dinerive na formula or the sum of interior angles. So, we have to go back. Di ba? Babalikan natin. Kung titignan natin, ang nawawala dito ay interior. So, ibig sabihin, if this is pentagon, kasi how many sides? There are 5. So, babalikan natin. So, ilan ba yung sum ng interior ng pentagon? 540. Yun yung kailangan mong matutunan na alamin. And yun ang gagamitin natin to write your equation. We have angle x plus W plus V plus Z plus U is equal to 540 degrees. Kasi ito yung sum ng interior ng pentagon mo. And then you can now substitute. We have this x plus 124 plus 111 plus 90 plus 100 is equal to 540. Then combine mo yung mga similar terms. So since si x wala naman siyang same term, so ang i-add mo lang dyan yung constant term mo. And that is x plus 425 is equal to 540. Transpose natin yung 4 to 25 dun sa right side. It will become minus. Okay. So, and that is 540 minus 425, that is 115. Ito na ngayon yung value ng ating missing angle. And then, paano kung malalaman kung tama ba yung sagot ko? Kailangan i-check natin. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kopyahin mo lang yung equation mo. Ito yon, substitute mo yung x of 115 doon sa x. Kaya 115 plus 124 plus 111 plus 90 plus 100. Pag inad ko itong nasa left side lahat na yan, kailangan mag-total siya ng 540. And they are equal. So ibig sabihin, kapag nag-equal yan, check yung sagot mo. Kapag hindi, pabalik ka sa solution, mali siya. Okay. So, another example natin, find x pa rin tayo. So, ang una mong aalamin, yung side, di ba? Ilan yung side dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, many hexagon to. Ngayon, kapag na-identify mo na ilan yung sum na interangles, so balikan natin. So, kailangan yung makabisado lang, no? We have 720 degrees. Yun yung kailangan mong malaman. And then, you can now write the equation. We have angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 720. And then, substitute natin. Okay, x minus 6 plus x minus 40 plus 130 plus 120 plus 110 plus x minus 20 is equal to 720. Ngayon, i-combine mo yung mga similar terms natin, yung x. Okay, so ito yun, no? Yung x, x, x. And then yung constant term mo. We have, ayan, i-group natin. Pag sinimplify ko yung variable na x, tsaka yung constant terms natin, that is 3x plus 294 is equal to 720. Transpose natin yung 294 sa right side, magiging minus siya. And that is 720 minus 20, 294. And the difference is 426. Okay, diretso natin, no? Divide natin both side by 3 para makancel yung 3. Now, what is 426 divided by 3? That is 142. So, nahanap na natin si x. Ito-check natin ngayon para malaman kung tama ba yung sagot natin. Paano? So, kopyahan mo lang to, yung equation mo, substitute mo siya doon. And that is 142 minus 6 plus 142 minus 40 plus 130 plus 120 plus 110 plus 142 minus 20. Kapag sinimplify ko lahat itong nasa left side, kailangan mag-total siya ng 720. They are equal. So, that is correct kapag nag-equal yan. How about number 3 example? So, kailangan tignan mo, interior pa rin yung hinahanap dyan. So, ibig sabihin, there are 5 sides. So, that is pentagon. So, balikan natin, ilan ba yung pentagon natin ng sum ng interiors? We have 540. Yun yung kailangan natin malaman. And then, you can now write your equation. We have angle R, S, T, U, V is equal to 540. Then, you can now substitute. We have x minus 5 plus x minus 6 plus 2x minus 7 plus x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 540. Then, i-combine mo lahat yung mga may variables. Saka, ganun din yung constant term natin. And that is x plus 2x plus x plus 2x plus yung negative 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 2 is equal to 540. Pag sinimplify ko yung mga variables, tsaka yung constant natin, that is 7x minus 20 is equal to 540. I-transpose natin yung negative 20 sa right side. Magiging plus or positive na siya. That will become 540 plus 20. And that is 560. Divide natin both side by 7 para makancel yung 7. We have yeah. So what is 560 divided by 7? That is 80. So, ibig sabihin, nakuha na natin si X. So, i-check natin para malaman natin kung tama ba yung value natin na nakuha. Okay, so we have to substitute. Dito mo kinopya mo lang yung equation. That is 80 minus 5 plus 80 minus 6 plus 2 times 80 minus 7 plus 80 plus 2 times 80 minus 2. Kapag sinimplify ko itong nasa left side ko, kailangan mag-total siya ng 540. And they are equal. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-equal, tama yung value na nakuha natin na 80. Okay, so another example in a heptagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, find X and the measure of angle Q. Ibig sabihin, so kung titignan natin to, anong sum ng kanyang interior angle? So, ibig sabihin, heptagon, 7. So, babalikan natin yun, no? 7. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang 900 degrees. So, yun yung kailangan natin. So, para makagawa tayo ng equation, we have angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G is equal to 900. And then, substitute na natin, we have 115 plus X plus 1 plus 15 plus 170 plus X plus 160 plus 100 plus 150 is equal to 900. Then, tignan natin yung mga similar terms. Yung X, i-add natin X plus X, saka yung naman yung constant terms natin. And that is 2X plus 710 is equal to 900. I-transpose natin yung 710 do sa right side, magiging minus siya. And that is 2x is equal to 900 minus 720. Kapag 710, kapag sinubtract natin to, the difference is 190. Then, divide both side by 2 para makancel yung 2. What is 190 divided by 2? And that is x is equal to 95. So, yan na yung value ng x natin. So, paano kung malalaman kung tama? So, kailangan natin i-check lagi-lagi, no? So, you are going to copy the equation. Substitute lang natin. We have 115 plus 95 plus 15 plus 170 plus 95 plus 160 plus 100 plus 150 is equal to 900. Kapag sinimplify ko lahat yung nasa left side natin, that is equal to 900. Ibig sabihin, tama yung nakuha nating value ni x na 95. And then, meron pa tayong hanapin, si angle Q. So, kung titignan natin no, ano yung relationship ni angle Q doon sa vertex angle natin na si angle E. They are supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, para malaman yung value ni X, so we have 180 minus the given angle E. So, substitute natin, 180 minus 160, the difference is 20 degrees. So, ito yung measure ni angle Q. Okay, so next, how about given example number 5 in a triangle ABC? Find the following. A, measures of angle 1, 2, 3, 4. B, sum of interior angles of triangle. C, sum of exterior angles of triangle. Okay, so ibig sabihin niyan, ilan ba ang sum ng interior angles ng triangle? 'Di ba? So kailangan alam natin 'yon. Babalikan natin yung nasa ating table. So we have 180 degrees. So kailangan natin matandaan yan. And you can now write your equation. We have angle 1 is equal to 180 minus the sum of the given angle. Yun yung 85 tsaka 55 natin. So we have get the sum of 85 and 55, then subtract mo dun sa 180. That is 180 minus 140. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 natin is 40 degrees. So isulat mo na siya dun sa figure natin para ma-visualize natin. And then you can now solve for angle 2. So since they are supplementary, yung interior tsaka exterior, you have to subtract angle B dun sa 180. Kaya we have 180 minus 55. And the measure of angle 2 is 125 degrees. So isulat mo na yung sagot mo doon. And you can now find angle 3. They are supplementary. So ganun din, subtract mo lang sa 180 si angle A. That is 180 minus 85. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to 95 degrees. So, therefore, you can also find the measure of angle 4. They are supplementary, di ba? Sa relationship na interior at exterior. We have 180 minus the given angle C. That is 180 minus 40. The measure of angle 4 is equal to 140 degrees. So, nahanap na natin lahat ng angles. So, therefore, we can now find the measure of the interior and the exterior. Okay, so we have So sum of the interior angles, that is, add lang natin lahat ng angle na nasa loob. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, we have 85 plus 55 plus 40. So therefore, we have the sum of 180 degrees. Diba? Yun yung sum ng isang triangle. Isum ng angle sa isang triangle. So, for letter C, sum of exterior angles of triangle, add lang din natin lahat ng angles na nasa labas. So, we have angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. And we have 125 plus 95 plus 140. Therefore, the sum is 360 degrees. Diba? As you observe, the sum of any convex polygon is 360. The sum of exterior, take note of that. Kaya siya laging 360. So, and that is the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any convex polygon is always 360. Okay, so let's go number 6 example. In a quadrilateral PQRS, find the following, the measures of angle PRS, angle 1 and angle 2. We also have to find the sum of the interior angles of the given quadrilateral and also the exterior. Okay, so meaning, how are we going to find first? Sinong unang hahanapin natin dyan? Kailangan malaman natin yung kanilang interior. Okay, so with that, we are going to find the angle 2. So kung titignan natin, no, 'di ba, ang relationship ng interior at exterior, they are supplementary. Kaya 180 minus the given angle Q, kaya 180 minus 105. Therefore, the measure of angle 2 is 75 degrees. So isulat mo na siya doon sa figure mo. Next naman natin hanapin si angle R. Ito si angle R natin, yung vertex angle na tinatawag. So isasubtract mo lang din si 95. And that is 180 minus 95, 85 degrees si angle R natin. Susulat mo doon. And then, you can also find the measure of angle S. So, since they are supplementary, subtract natin. 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. Kaya isulat natin yung measure ni angle S. So, ang tanong, paano natin malalaman yung angle P tsaka angle 1? So, kunin muna natin si angle P. Okay. So, what property are we going to use? So, balikan natin, di ba? Sa sum ng interior angles ng quadrilateral, ilan bang meron? So, we have, tignan natin, di ba? There are 360 degrees. So, yun yung kailangan natin. So, to write your equation, we have angle P is equal to 360 minus the sum of the given angle Q, R, and S. So, we have to substitute. So, meaning, get the sum first, 105 plus 85 plus 80. Then, subtract mo yung sum nila dun sa 360. And that is 360 minus 270. Therefore, the measure of angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So, ito na yung sukat natin. So, ilagay mo na doon. Therefore, mahahanap mo na si angle 1. Okay, tanda natin na kailangan natin hanapin muna yung nasa interior bago natin mahanap si angle 1. Okay, so our solution would be, subtract lang natin. So, 180 minus angle P because they are supplementary. Kaya, 180 minus 90, meaning the measure of angle 1 is 90 degrees. So, isulat mo na siya doon. And then, you can now find the sum of the interior as well as the exterior. Okay, so our solution is, add lang natin lahat ng angles na nasa loob. We have angle P plus QRS. So, meaning, 90 plus 105 plus 85 plus 80. And the sum is 360 degrees. Di ba nakita natin sa table? So, sa isang quadrilateral, meron siyang sum of the interior angles na 360 degrees. Okay, how about the sum of the exterior angles? So, add lang din natin lahat ng nasa labas. So, we have 90 plus 75 plus 95 plus 100. So, the sum is 360. So, ito yung sinasabi natin na the sum of the exterior angles of any convex polygon is always 360. So, tanda natin yun. That's the property. Okay, for example number 7, you are going to find the value x. So, kung titignan natin to exterior, kailangan alam nyo kung paano i-distinguish kung interior or exterior. So, kung ito ay quadrilateral, ilan ba ang sum of the interior angles? So, that is 360. Kaya you can write the equation. We have 70 plus 3x plus 35 plus x plus 115 is equal to 360. And then, combine natin yung mga similar terms yung 3x tsaka x. Ganon din kay 70 plus 35 plus 150. And that is 4x plus 220 plus 360. I-transpose natin si 220 dun sa right side. It will become minus. Kaya we have 4x is equal to 360 minus 220. And kapag sinubtract natin yung right side, we have 140. Then divide both sides by 4 para makancel yung 4. What is 140 divided by 4? That is 35. So, eto na yung value ng x natin. So, paano ko malalaman kung tama ba yung sagot ko? I-check natin. Okay. So, 70, substitute natin. Ito yung kopyahin nyo yung equation. Then, palitan mo yung x ng 35. Kaya we have 70 plus 3 times 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 150. Kailangan pag sinimplify mo tong left side mo, mag-i-equal siya ng 360. So they are equal. Ibig sabihin tama ito. Okay, so another example number 8. So observe nyo ulit yung given na exterior pa rin, di ba? So suriin mo ngayon, ilan ba yung side nito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ibig sabihin yan, this is, okay, so since this is hexagon, ibig sabihin ang sum pa rin na exterior niya is 360. Di ba? Yun yung sabi sa any convex polygon. And you can now write the equation. So we have 47 plus 93 plus 46 plus 3x plus 62 plus 4x is equal to 360. And then i-add mo yung similar terms, yung 3x at 4x. Ganun din yung constant term mo na 47 plus 93 plus 46 plus 62. And that is 248 plus 7x is equal to 360. I-transpose mo ngayon si 248 dun sa right side. Magiging minus siya. Magre-reverse ng sign. And that will become 7x is equal to 360 minus 248. So pag sinubtract ko yan, that is 112. Then you can now divide both sides by 7 para makancel yung 7. And what is 112 divided by 7? That is 16. Ibig sabihin yan, ito na yung value ng x natin. So what if hindi ka sigurado sa sagot mo? So you have to check. Kopyahin mo lang to equation mo. Yung x na nakuha natin, i-substitute mo dyan. We have 47 plus 93 plus 46 plus 3 times 16 plus 62 plus 4 times 16. Pag sinimplify ko itong nasa left side, kailangan mag-equal yan ng 360. So they are equal. Ibig sabihin, tama yung nakuha natin value ng x na 16. Okay, for the last na example, number 9, three angles of a pentagon measure 120 degrees, 130, and 150. So find the other two angles if they are in the ratio of 2:3. So ibig sabihin nun, kailangan natin alamin ilan ba ang sum of the interior angles na isang pentagon, di ba? So kailangan natin alamin yan. So babalikan natin yung table. Okay, kailangan nyo dapat master yung table or yung kanilang interior sum. So ibig sabihin yan, if this is a pentagon, we have 540 degrees. Okay, then you can now write your equation. Okay, so, but before that, okay, ilista muna natin yung 540 dito, no? Okay, so, and then kapag nahanap mo na yung measure ng interior angles niya, proceed to step 2. Ibig sabihin, sum of the measure of the three angles. I-add lang natin yung given doon sa problem. So, 120 plus 130 plus 150, that is equal to 400. So, ang sunod mo na step dyan, yung nakuha mong sagot sa step 2, isubtract mo doon sa step 1. That is 540 minus 400 is equal to 140. Okay, so kapag nakuha mo na dyan, you can now proceed to step 4. Write the equation. If x represents the measure of an angle, then, kasi di ba 2:3 siya, kaya masasabi natin, 2x plus 3x, pag inad ko yung dalawang angle na nawawala, the sum is 140. Okay, and then you can now solve the value of x. So, pag inad natin 2x plus 3x, 5x yon. Divide mo both side by 5. Cancel ngayon yung 5. What is 140 divided by 5? That is 28. So, dito, makukuha mo na yung measure ng dalawang angles na nawawala. So, since 2x yon, substitute lang natin. 2 times 28, 56. And doon sa 3x naman, 3 times 28 is equal to 84. And then, eto na ngayon yung sagot natin. The measures of the other two angles are 56 degrees and 84. So, ibig sabihin yan, so i-check natin kung mag-sum up ba siya ng 540. I-add lang natin. We have check. 120 plus 130 plus 150 plus 56 plus 84. So pag inad natin yung lahat yung nasa left side, that is equal to 540. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na 56 tsaka 84 degrees. So that is all how to find the missing angle. Okay, so with that, I hope you learned something from this video lesson. So, okay, so we'll see you